Welcome back. Today, we'll explore the practicality of keyboard shortcuts. Meet your secret weapon, the Control key. If you combine it with other keys, you unlock a realm of shortcuts designed to make your life easier and more efficient. And we have collected over 20 shortcuts. Keep watching this video as we uncover the magic of Control key shortcuts that can revolutionize the way you navigate and interact with your computer. Ready to boost your tech skills? Subscribe now for a front-row experience with cutting-edge keyboard wizardry and productivity hacks. Press Ctrl X, Ctrl C or Ctrl V to cut, copy, and paste respectively. For example, use Ctrl X to cut text from a document, Ctrl C to copy it, and Ctrl V to paste it into another location. You can use these shortcuts in Windows Explorer too, and cut, copy or paste folders and files anywhere. Mistakes just happen, and because of that, you can use Ctrl Z to undo an action and Ctrl Y to redo it. This shortcut can be applied anywhere, whether it's a file or folder or simply just text. Selecting everything is a breeze with Ctrl A. No more tedious dragging or clicking. For instance, in a document or folder, use Ctrl A to quickly select all text or items. To swiftly close the current tab in your web browser without using the mouse, just press Ctrl F4. The active tab disappears, letting you navigate through your browsing sessions effortlessly. Use Ctrl E to instantly focus on the search bar, facilitating a quick search entry. Once you've explored the content, hit Ctrl R or F5 to refresh the page, ensuring you have the latest updates without disrupting your browsing flow. Now, picture this scenario. You have multiple applications open on your computer, and you need to switch between them swiftly. Press Ctrl Alt Tab to toggle through open applications, allowing you to seamlessly navigate and choose the one you want to bring to the forefront. It's a quick and efficient way to manage your workflow without reaching for the mouse. Let's say you're working on a document and need to highlight or select text quickly. Hold down Ctrl Shift and use the arrow keys to efficiently select text. Whether it's words, lines, or paragraphs, this shortcut allows you to precisely and rapidly highlight the content you need without lifting your fingers from the keyboard. Now, imagine that you're navigating through a list of items, perhaps in a file explorer or a document. Press Ctrl arrow key to navigate through the list. Once you reach the desired item, use the spacebar to either select or deselect that specific item. This keyboard combination offers a quick and keyboard-centric way to interact with and manage items in a list. Enjoying these shortcuts? Share your favorite or most frequently used one in the comments section below, and while you're at it, remember to hit that subscribe button. If only I could offer you a shortcut for subscribing as well. Press Ctrl Escape or simply Windows key to open the Start menu without using the mouse. It's a convenient way to navigate through your applications and access various features on your Windows system with a simple keyboard shortcut. Need to manage your computer's processes and applications? Press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the Task Manager directly. This shortcut allows you to swiftly monitor and control running processes, making it a handy tool for troubleshooting, optimizing performance, or closing unresponsive applications without navigating through additional menus. Press Ctrl Home to move the cursor to the beginning of the document or Ctrl N to move to the end of the document. This is so useful sometimes. Press Ctrl Tab to cycle through open tabs from left to right. Need to go the other way? Hold down Ctrl Shift and press Tab to cycle through tabs from right to left. This keyboard shortcut combination offers a quick and fluid way to navigate between open tabs without reaching for the mouse, enhancing your browsing efficiency. This one is a very simple and convenient shortcut. Use Ctrl +1, 2 or 3 and so on to effortlessly switch between different tabs or sections in the application using the numerical keys. It's a way to access specific areas without the need for mouse clicks or menu navigation. Switch between different tabs or sections. Hold down Ctrl and scroll your mouse wheel. As you scroll up or down, the document zooms in or out, providing a smooth and efficient way to control the magnification of the content on your screen. This keyboard and mouse combination is a handy trick for fine-tuning your view without the need for additional menu clicks. Press Ctrl + Shift + N to instantly create a new folder without reaching for the mouse. This shortcut simplifies the process of organizing and structuring your files by allowing you to generate new folders effortlessly within the current directory. Hold down Ctrl and click on the Group taskbar button of the desired application. This action will allow you to cycle between open windows of that application. Press Ctrl plus Shift and click on the taskbar button of the desired application. This will open a new instance with administrative privileges, providing you with an efficient way to perform tasks that require elevated access without navigating through additional menus. As we conclude our shortcut key adventure, harness the power of these keystrokes for a more efficient digital journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.